Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dreams Quest token. Now this token is being listed on a central exchange starting today, March 24th. It got listed 10 a.m. UTC time, so it should already be up there. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Dreams Quest is an entertainment and mythology project creating an immersive open-world action-adventure role-playing game, leveraging Web 2 mobile and Web 3, where players can own their inventory and game assets. So this is on the Binance Smart Chain. So far they have 6,195 holders, 210,000 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 789,210,000 tokens. Now, this is listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap as well. They have so many socials, LinkedIn, they have a Discord, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, blog articles, all sorts of things on here. Token price today is up 1.65% according to CoinMarketCap. They do have a full white paper listed here on CoinMarketCap as well. So basically, this token just got listed today on Hotbit. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just simply go through that Hotbit referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and then you would search ticker symbol Dreams in the trade section and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yeah, check out that Hotbit referral code. So Dreams Quest is an open world action adventure role-playing mobile game developed by REFERRAL Studios. The first game, Origins, the Fall of Azoria, is in development, scheduled for alpha access in early 2023, and further phases to be rolled out in 2023. Players find themselves in a fantastical world full of color, vibrancy, and mystery, only to discover this paradise is quickly deteriorating. The player's goal is to resolve an evolving threat to Azoria and the other realms through exploration, conflict, and character development to restore the realms before it's too late. The game is an exclusive invitation mixed together with a unique challenge to travel to a place where we have only dreamed of, but now we can experience. We live in a world that we cannot control, and now players can cross through the portal, which takes you to a world where your actions directly impact outcomes. Dream Quest is a multi-stage game with the first chapter, Origins, the Fall of Azoria, being the opening game that will allow players to experience the immersive game experience, to explore familiar landscapes and biomes, and to seek an understanding of what happened to Azoria and what needs to be done to restore it. Dreams Quest community are welcome to exchange their ideas, suggestions, and insights into gameplay. We're a collaborative community website that anyone, including you, can build and expand upon. Wikis like the one on Readers Get Involved and Add Content. Click on the Add New Page or Edit button at the top of the page and get started. So they have all sorts of things like the rules of the wiki, getting started, how to contribute, guides, managing your new community, all help articles. You can find all that at dreamsquest.fandom.com. Goes over the game overview. You can click on Origins, Ancients, Timeline, the Dream Constructs, so concept of the game, Portals, Upper Streams. There's categories on here. So then at the bottom of the page, you can also check out what is fandom, careers, press, media kit, support, community hub, contract, all that type of stuff is on there. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, dreams.quest, you can click on Join the Quest. It says your quest awaits you. Dreams Quest Origins coming soon. A perfect balance of life forces, elements, and energies. There was harmony, beautifully pitched sound, and energy resonated as one. There was melodic power that entranced and mesmerized while coloring the universe with essence and breath. The world must be restored to harmony. On your quests, you will explore amazing realms as you uncover the cause of disruption and seek out the shards of Azoria to restore unity and order to the world. Every decision you take will affect your outcomes. Complete challenges, achievements, and quests to unlock the secrets hidden within Azoria. Equip your staff to increase your chances of survival while you face many beings. Level up to increase your powers. Unlock the mysteries of organic matter and crystals. Dreams Quest is the first experiential RPG game where your dreams subconscious intertwine with the physical world. Unlock the mysteries and the life force that enshrines the world. Unlock secrets lost in space and time. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, so you can go over more of this on their webpage. There's even little poems and everything on here. So there is a marketplace. It says coming soon. Check out the marketplace for useful accessories to start your quest. So that's obviously where you're going to get like weapons, armor, characters, land, things like that in the form of NFTs to be able to play the game, help you earn and things like that. And yeah, so it looks like most of this stuff is coming soon, is not available yet. You can join all their socials. They're linked all over the place. And like I said, you can find this token listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, price chart, contract address, all that stuff is on there, all the links. But you can find this token newly listed today on Hotbit. So check out that Hotbit referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Dreams Quest and the Dreams token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks to everybody who's been supporting on Patreon, hitting the join button, hitting the super thanks button. It is much appreciated. And thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.